Hello all, I'm Sheikh Khadir. Today I'm going to explain you why there are some hurdles when you are trying to move from software engineer role to product owner role. The first problem that I see is you are Mr. Dependent in a technical thing. As a technical guy, you always think about being dependable for your team, and being dependable is also good for you. But the fact is, if you want to move to another role, you should identify a person who can take on your role. Your manager go nervous when you actually decide to move to another role and you have not identified that person who will be replacing you. So start moving that guy and start delegating work to him and start delegating some of the smaller jobs to younger software developers so that they can take over all the responsibilities of you, and then you are free to move to another level. Now you have started thinking about product owner and you started delegating your work. What should you do? The second thing that I would say is while trying to get out of this Mr. Dependable tag, you should parallelly do something which is really important to get into a product owner role, which is associating with product owner. And when you have a new feature or a new project or anything that is coming as a new thing, you get involved at that phase and you understand the requirements and you come up with various scenarios and you think in the direction where product owner thinks. Go prepare for your product increment meetings or your functional grooming meetings. Be an active listener and contribute to the product journey when you are in these meetings. Your input is really valuable because you already have technical experience, and there are so many cases where product owner or product manager comes to you for feasibility study and early estimations. Don't underestimate these opportunities and don't try to avoid them. Try to use this as an opportunity. Even though you are fully booked, try to attend these meetings so that you can get an idea of what is product owner going through. The third thing that I would say is having knowledge about product and its terminologies that are used in product discussions. If you have knowledge of these jargons that are used in product world, so then you can easily contribute to the discussions that are happening around. If you don't have knowledge of what are these jargons, then it will be very difficult for you. Hence, try to understand these jargons and try to read some books about product owner and try to build your knowledge not only towards a product owner. Product owner is a more of a practical thing, which is just a step above your role, what you are playing as a senior software engineer or designer or QA. But it's a long learn journey, and if you want to understand that, you have to learn a lot of jargons that are used in product world and systems, frameworks, all those. For that, you have to understand the way of thinking of the product owner and product manager, and you have to build that mindset. To build that mindset, I would recommend few of the books that would help you to get into that mindset. I have curated myself important books that I would have read if I wanted to be a product manager or product owner. These are good strategy, bad strategy, storytelling by data analysis, and problem solving 101. So at this stage, when you are already associating with the product owners, go around and read some books. This is the final stage that will take you to product owner or product manager role. Reading books. I know it is very tough for an engineering student to read management books, but this is required. So this is the final step that you should do, because as you are getting into a management world, you should understand what is happening in there and what are the technologies that they are going to use. So if you are familiar with these terminologies and jargons that are used, so this is what is going to help you to become a product manager. This is the career path that you should take to get into a product manager role when you are actually coming from engineering background. For any product related queries and discussions, you can get in touch with me. You can have a discovery call. I have given the link in the description section, so you can go ahead and check out. Thank you so much for listening to me, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and stay in touch. Thank you so much.